One missing document can literally cost you your MBBS seat. So hi, I'm Dia, a second year MBBS student, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about the documents which you need for your MBBS admission. So starting from the most important documents, and these documents are compulsory for every student. First one is the NEET admit card. This is the admit card which you use during the NEET exam, and इसे फेंकना नहीं है, संभाल के रखना है. The second one is the NEET scorecard. After the results are out, you have to download the scorecards from the NTA website, and this proves your qualification status and rank. The third one is the seat allotment letter. After the counseling, if you get a seat, you receive a seat allotment letter, and without this letter, you cannot report to the allotted college. The fourth one is the class 10th mark sheet and certificate, and this serves as your date of birth proof. The fifth one is your class 12th mark sheet and passing certificate. This proves that you have passed physics, chemistry, biology, English with the required passing eligibility criteria. The last one is the valid government ID proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, and इन सब में से कोई भी एक कैरी कर सकते हो, and carry photocopies with the original ID proof. Now coming to the next section, which is photographs. Carry at least 8 to 10 passport size photographs, and my advice is carry the photograph which was uploaded in your NEET application form. Many colleges ask multiple photos during your admission and hostel allotment time. Now the third section is documents required for state quota. If you are taking admission through your state quota, you need a domicile certificate. This proves that you belong to that state, and always check the state counseling brochure. The fourth section is the category documents. If you are claiming reservation benefits, these documents are compulsory. For SC candidates, you should have your SC certificate. For ST candidates, you should have ST certificate. For OBC candidates, OBC certificate. For EWS candidates, EWS certificate. And for PWD candidates, you should have a disability authorized certificate from an authorized medical board. Now, the most important thing is many students have the certificate either in the wrong format or the expired ones. So always check the latest format mentioned in the counseling notification, and ये भी check कर लेना कि तुम्हारा certificate expire है या नहीं. The fifth section is the school leaving documents. In this, you should have your transfer certificate issued by your school, your migration certificate. This is required especially when you are moving from one board or university system to another, and many colleges ask for these during the final formalities. Section 6. This is for the gap year students. If you took a drop year after your class 12th, many colleges ask for a gap affidavit. This will explain your educational gap. सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स को बिफोर हैंड बनवा लो क्योंकि लास्ट मोमेंट पे बहुत रश हो जाता है. नाउ द सेवेंथ सेक्शन इज द मेडिकल फिटनेस सर्टिफिकेट. Many colleges required a medical fitness certificate signed by a registered doctor, and do not ignore this document because you don't know if your college need this or not. क्योंकि मेरे कॉलेज में इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी थी, but that does not mean कि तुम्हारे कॉलेज में नहीं पड़ेगी. A lot of students realize this requirement only after reaching the college. Now the 8th section is the extra documents needed for the NRI quota. Students who are applying under NRI quota require sponsor passport, embassy certificate, relationship affidavit, and sponsorship affidavit. These requirements may vary from state and institution. Now, how to organize your documents. Keep all originals with 3 to 5 photocopies of each document. Arrange the documents in the same order as mentioned in the counseling brochure, and trust me, अलॉटमेंट डे के दिन बहुत कम हो जाएगा स्ट्रेस अगर सब कुछ पहले से ही मैनेज हो और सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स तुम्हारे पास होंगे तो. सो दैट्स इट. योर नीट स्कोर गेट्स यू द सीट, बट योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स सिक्योर दैट सीट. So don't wait for your counseling to begin and start arranging your documents as soon as your results are out. Save this video and share it with every NEET aspirant, because one missing document should never be the reason someone loses their MBBS seat. So thanks for watching.